Hey guys, Carlos Sala here. Today I'm gonna talk about how to improve your creativity with a simple technique. So, why creativity? Well, as copywriters, as marketers, as everything in life, we need to be more creative. Why? Because the price game goes so far. There's always another factory that can make your product cheaper, that can make it more efficient. So I think that the best way to play this game is by being different, by doing something different that no one has ever seen. And what do you need to achieve that? Creativity. Creativity is a skill, is something that you build. It's just like running, like reading, like any other skill. You need to practice and you will get way better with time and practice. But a lot of people, I'm not sure why, they're like, no, I don't like creativity, I'm just not creative, I'm just like this. They have this limiting belief that you are born being creative, but that's not true. You can learn it as any other thing. You can learn it and it's gonna pay off really much. Also, I have this view that in the future, robots, machine technology is gonna do everything for us. It's gonna do everything that's physical, that it's automatic for us. And what is the only skill that's left that a machine will never be able to do? Is to be creative, to imagine things. Do you imagine the first person that said, yeah, I wanna put something in the air that it's weight 1 ton and it's full of iron in the air, flying? Everyone probably said he was crazy, and then he went and invented the plane. Where will we be as a species if we had invented the plane, or the boat, or the car? All those things come from one thing, and it's creativity, it's innovation. Because creativity is a really simple thing. It's just connecting two things that are not meant to be together. So you connect two things that no one has ever connected together. That's creativity, and that's it. It's just taking from a bunch of things, a bunch of materials, a bunch of stuff, and connecting them together in a way no one has ever seen. For example, see this wallet and this pen, what they have in common? Nothing, right? But you could say like, I'm gonna make a wallet that has like a small pen integrated, so when you're gonna sign, let's say that you're paying something and you have to sign, then you can have like this little pen and you can just grab your wallet and sign. That would be a really good idea, and that's pure creativity, just joining two things that have nothing to be in common and doing something new, going with something that doesn't exist. Maybe it does exist, maybe it doesn't. But for me, this is the most profitable skill ever. So, how to practice? Basically, you can do this cool exercise that it's, you have to grab any object you have, let's say like this tennis ball, and you start asking some questions and you start writing them down, and you start writing just everything that comes to your mind about these tennis balls. Okay, like what is the material, what it's made of, what it is used for. Okay, used for tennis, for massaging, for what it's not used to. Is not used to play football, is not used to eat it, is not used to. You need to see what are the things that this is used to, what is not used to, make a huge list. What is its meaning, its shape, its why it's green, why it's made of this material, why are the tennis players use it, why, like you need to ask everything about this. I'm gonna share with you guys the list of questions so you can grab anything you have near you and just start writing these questions down. Writing these questions down and thinking about anything that this thing is related to. That's the key of creativity, is to connect things to a lot of other things and doing something new. So I'll do this every day, every time, and you see that with time you're gonna get better and better, and out of nowhere, without even thinking about it, when you see something new, you're gonna come up with something, because you're gonna say, this is never used to. Let's say the first person that thought that you could use this tennis ball to massage yourself, you know, like if you do exercise and you don't get cramped the next day. This has nothing to do with massages, but someone just thought like, oh, it has this round shape, it's hard, it's like easy to get, I could use it to do this and it's gonna help me, right? So he connected all that he knew about massaging, about sports, and connected into a tennis ball that has nothing to do with it. That's the main thing, guys. Also, avoid all those like layers in your mind that tells you, no, this can't be this way. You need to free, if you're gonna be a creative, if you're gonna be a successful copywriter, you need to free yourself from all those layers that tell you, no, these things don't go together, these things don't work like this and like this. You need to go beyond all that and just be free yourself and say like, what if we could do this? Imagine the person that invented the plane saying like, no man, we can't ever fly. That doesn't, like, a human being and flying and being in the air, no way. No, he went past all those boundaries, all those layers, all those protective layers, because at the end they might be of fear. They might be like, what is people gonna think about me if I create this new, like, this new wallet, you know, the wallet that I was telling you, like this wallet with a pen. What are they're gonna think that I'm crazy, that it's not a good idea, that it's blah 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 blah. But you're not gonna lose anything. You can just have the idea and you can even do it and then sell it, and maybe you become really successful doing wallets with pens. So that's the future, guys. That's how you innovate, that's how you practice. And trust me, when you do this really often, then it's gonna go like happen with no effort, zero effort. You're gonna be going through life. Maybe you take like your headphones, your cell phone, and out of nowhere you're gonna see your headphones. You're like, oh, this is a really really good idea. I can do this, and this. And with copy, you can just start writing down everything that comes to your mind. And creativeness pays a lot. It's a really 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 like high income skill, because for some reason not a lot of people are like able to be creative. I'm gonna show you how to destroy all those layers in future videos. I'm gonna tell you how to be more creative, how to construct this momentum, and that you are just creative by nature. You just can't handle but be creative. So I hope you like the topic, guys. Practice the technique. I'm gonna put the questions down below so you can practice with anything that you have. Do this once a day, and I bet you that in 1 week you're gonna be way better. You're gonna be doing copy and you're gonna start thinking about a lot of connections that you could do. So let's see you later, guys. Bye.